Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to renew your car registration online for New York City. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in this page right here, and after that you have to scroll down, and then you gotta press on renew registration online. And in here you have to select the type of the vehicle that you have, if it's a normal vehicle or if it's a boat or a snowmobile. And then you have to press on continue, and in here you have to fill in these informations: the plat number, the 3 digits registration class, and your last name or your business name, and also the 5 zip codes and your email, and you gotta verify your email as well. So yeah, and after you fill in these information, you press on continue, and it's gonna give you a quick guide into how to do it simply step by step. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.